how to say friend. To say friend as a boy, you say kolega. Kolega. Ko-le-ga. Kolega. Nice and easy. You try. Very good. Now, to say a friend as in a girl, you say Kolezanka. Ko-le-zhanka. Let's break this one down. It's one word. Ko-lej. Z with a little dot on top accent. J. Kolez. An-ka. Ko-le-zhanka. Kolezanka. Now, let me hear you say it at full speed. Great. And that's how you say friend.